Good day everyone, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing here on the Xiaomi AC2350AIOT Router. This router is powered by a Qualcomm QCA9563 processor. It also has a 7 high-gain antennas, 7-channel high-performance signal amplifier, and finally a AIoT antenna built inside this router. Here at the back of the box, you can see the software functions that the router has, and here at the bottom, you can see there are two QR codes bringing you to install the Mi Wi-Fi app and the Mi Home app for additional features. The Wi-Fi connection technology built inside this router is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi which can reach up to 450 megabits per second. It also has a 5 GHz Wi-Fi which can support up to 1733 megabits per second. Yes, you heard that right. 1733 megabits per second. So, let's start the unboxing. So here we have the cable to power up the router. This is the cable to connect your router to your Wi-Fi. And finally, this is the router itself. So let's remove the cover of the antennas. Here on the front of the router, you could see there is a two LED lights, one for the internet and one for the system. Here at the back, you can see there is a restart. This is where you plug in your power. There is one WAN port, then 3 LAN ports for you to connect. Overall, the build quality is solid even though it is made out of plastic and it doesn't weigh that heavy. It also feels really nice on the hands. And this is the end of my unboxing on this Mi AC2350 AIoT router. If you have enjoyed watching this video, you could leave a like, comment, and you could subscribe and turn on the notification bell to show support to our channel.